All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, object-oriented programming, override inherited methods. All right. So in previous lessons, we learned that an object can inherit its behavior or methods from another object by referencing its prototype object, all right? So we did something like this. The child object.prototype equals object.create parent object.prototype. So it's just like this one right over here where we said, this one right here, bird.prototype equals object.create animal.prototype. This is the parent and this is the child right here, right? The supertype, subtype, all right? And now then the child object receives its own methods by chaining them into its prototype, all right? So we do something like this. The child object.prototype method name equals the function and blah, blah, blah. So it's just like this one right here, function. Is that what it's like? No. It's just like this one right here. Bird.prototype.fly equals function, and then console.log I'm flying like that. So it's just like that one right there. All right, so it's possible to override an inherited method. So it's done the same way by adding a method to a child object.prototype using the same method name as the one to override. So here's an example of bird overriding the eat method inherited from animal. So we've got the animal style like this, and then we've got the bird constructor right here, and we're having the bird. What's going on here? So this is inheriting the animal prototype with this one, but they didn't do this thing right here where they changed the constructor. But whatever, we'll overlook that. Anyway, so we're doing bird.prototype.eat equals function, and instead of the nom nom nom, we're going to make it peck. So this one's going to override this one, right? So if we have an instance let duck equal new bird like this, and we call duck.eat, this is how JavaScript looks for the method on the prototype chain of duck, all right? So duck, so it's looking at duck. Is eat defined here? No, all right? So it's not defined on the duck. We're on this one. And we look at bird. Is eat defined here? Yes, it is, all right? It's defined right here. And so it executes it and stops searching. And then it goes to animal. Well, it doesn't go to animal because it's also defined, but JavaScript already stopped searching on this one and executed this one. So does it go to object? It doesn't even get up here because it's already done here. So let's build the chain one more time down here. Let's comment it out and say object here. And then we're going to have the, what's next? Animal right here. And then there's bird. And then there's duck, all right? So this one doesn't have the function. This one does, and so it's going this way. So that means it stops checking after this one. It doesn't look at this one. It doesn't look at this one anymore, all right? So that being said, now we're going to override the fly method for penguin so that it returns the string, alas, this is a flightless bird, all right? Oh, sad day, penguin, except for it swims. It flies underwater, right? That's what the documentaries say, right? Anyway, so let's do this. So we're basically going to make one of these for that. So we'll just say what are we going to do? Bird.prototype.fly, fly, and we're going to say equals function, and we'll have the parentheses like that. Then we'll have the curly braces like this. And we'll just do, what are we going to do? The console, right? We're going to say console.log. Are we doing a console.log or are we returning it? Oh, we're returning the string. All right, so we're going to return the string, alas, this is a flightless bird, like that. And you see right down here, it says that. Let me put a period at the end. I know it's going to not do it if we do that, if we don't put that. So it says this right here. Let's take this out and see what it said before. So right now it says I'm flying, but when we put it back with the Control Z, it overrides it with alas, this is a flightless bird. So that's proof enough. Let's check the code. Nope. What? the bird.fly method should return the string I am flying. Huh? Bird.fly. Bird.fly. Penguin.fly? Penguin. I guess penguin.fly. Penguin.fly. Let's do that. Penguin.fly. And there it goes doing this again. Let's run the test. Okay, well, whatever. I thought we were doing bird. No big deal. Now submit it. All right. Now we're on to use a mix-in to add common behavior between unrelated objects. And we'll see you next time.